Welcome to how to enable virtualization on Windows 11 Home. Usually you only see the virtualization feature on the versions of Windows Pro. To install virtualization on Windows Home, follow these steps. You use Notepad to open the code above. From this code you create a new scripts file. You save the file as above to create a scripts file on Windows Home. After getting the scripts file, you run it with administrative rights. You wait about 1 minute to complete the virtualization install. Once completed, you are required to restart Windows to apply changes. Above is how to install virtualization on Windows 11 Home or Windows 10 Home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.